In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to talk live using Huddles in Slack. Huddles are the quickest way to jump into a live conversation right inside Slack without the formality of scheduling a meeting. Think of them as lightweight audio spaces you can open in any channel or direct message to get answers faster, brainstorm, or align with your team in the moment. Start by opening the Slack channel or direct message where you want to talk. If you need a team-wide touchpoint, a channel is great because everyone in that space can see the huddle is happening and join if it's relevant. If you just need a quick one-on-one, open a direct message with that person or group. Once you're in the right conversation, look for the small headphone icon. It's the Huddle button. Click it and then select Start Huddle to begin. As soon as the huddle starts, you're live. You'll see a compact huddle panel appear, and that's where you control everything. If you want to add a visual element, turn on your camera. It's optional, but it can be helpful when you want more presence or need to show something quickly. If you need to walk people through a document, a dashboard, or a design, share your screen so everyone can follow along. This is perfect for quick reviews and real-time edits. You'll also notice a simple toolbar with the key controls you'll use throughout your conversation. Use the mute button to manage your audio so you're only heard when you want to be. This keeps background noise in check and helps the discussion stay focused. Reactions are available for lightweight feedback. A quick thumbs up or emoji lets you respond without interrupting the speaker, which keeps the flow smooth and inclusive. If you realize someone else should be in the conversation, invite them directly from the Huddle panel. Bringing the right people in at the right moment is exactly what makes Huddles so effective. They're flexible, immediate, and focused on the task at hand. A couple of simple habits will make your Huddles even better. Give a quick verbal agenda at the start so everyone knows the goal. When sharing your screen, narrate what you're doing and zoom in on key areas to help others follow. And when you're speaking, mute when you're not actively talking to keep the audio crisp for everyone. That's all you need to talk live in Slack using Huddles. Open the right space, click the headphone icon, start the huddle, and use your camera, screen share, mute, reactions, and invites to keep things clear and collaborative.